Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how November 2020 will be for Capricorn or Makar Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. They are your Rashi Lord Saturn is in the first, retrograde Mars is in the third, Rahu in the fifth, Venus in the ninth, Sun along with uh, retrograde Mercury in the 10th, Ketu in the 11th, and finally your 12th lord, that is Jupiter, is in the 12th. So overall, if I have to see, many planets are in favorable positions for you this month. So you will continue the progress and you will be moving ahead with renewed energy and will accomplish all your tasks on time. The first half of the month will prove much better than the second half. You may end up being little stressed up towards the end of the month. Your thought process may be slightly affected in the second half. So be confident and move ahead with positive energy and good confidence. So overall, it's going to be a very productive month for you all. Specifically speaking about health, headaches, gastric diseases, there could be a case or two of food poisoning, so please be very careful when you eat. There could be some mental worries, chronic issues may crop up, there could be throat pain also. Not to worry much. With the blessings of Sun and Mars and also Ketu, you will be able to recover quickly and become healthier. So try to consume your food on time to avoid any issues. Coming to career or business, for working people, Mars will provide you that energy and strength to face any issues that come your way. You will be able to complete tasks on time. Support from seniors will also be much better in this month. Your thought process may slow down a little towards the second half of the month, so pay attention to all details, and that will help you to avoid any humiliation that can happen because of your carelessness at work. Overall, a better month. So businessmen, they can push forward with positive energy. Success in government related matters seen. Some new venture or opportunity may come their way. If you are planning any new project, first half of the month is more favorable than the second half of the month to initiate that. You can expect some award or recognition coming your way this month. Make the best out of this month, put your best foot forward, put that effort to keep your business partners happy. How you can do that? Maintain a clear communication, that should help. Coming to students, a good month for students. Energy levels are going to be high for students. Avoid taking hasty decisions that may cause some trouble. So overall, if you stay patient and focus, you will be able to get good results. In terms of wealth or gains, it's going to be a gainful month. A new income source may open up for few. Speculation or gambling done with extra care can yield good results. If you have some stuck money, that could return this month. Your investments of the past may yield some good returns. So first half is better, so make the best use of it in terms of gains. Coming to the family front, health of your siblings and children may be little affected, so it needs attention, so help them out. Spouse may complain about fatigue and quick loss of energy, so help your spouse as well. Children may end up throwing tantrums now and then, so you have to manage them. You may take part in some of the family functions, or you may also spend for some family functions. Your father may support you very well this month. However, you need to do one thing, that means you need to keep your anger and your vague thoughts at check to have a very good and peaceful month on the family front. There are certain remedies which you can do to have a better month. They are recite or listen to Hanuman Chalisa every day because you are running through your Sadesati. Performing Abhisheka to Lord Shiva on a Saturday will bring in very good results. Visit a Guru's temple on a Thursday and seek blessings. If you want to donate a few things, donate saffron, donate honey, donate yellow colored sweets on a Thursday. Fasting on a Saturday is very beneficial. So it's going to be a progressive month for you. Stay focused, stay confident and get the best out of it. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.